Ever wonder what Vanderpump Rules stars get up to when the cameras aren't rolling at SUR? Well, prepare yourselves, because Natalie McGuire is making headlines for an entirely different kind of splash. Our favorite singer, bartender, and bona fide reality TV babe recently embraced her Boca Baddie roots, heading back to sunny Florida, and reminding everyone that some things never change. But it wasn't just a hometown visit. Natalie delivered an exclusive visual feast, courtesy of snaps captured at the luxurious Seagate Beach Club. Forget simply mixing a mean cocktail. Natalie proved she knows how to serve up pure fire, stepping into a shower in nothing but a scandalous, stringy bikini. These aren't just vacation photos. They're a sizzling statement, showing fans exactly what this star is made of, even as she prepares to drop new music. The internet is already buzzing about this bold move, and it's clear Natalie is owning her moment, both vocally and visually. Talk about making waves. What do you think of Natalie's latest show-stopping moment? Don't miss out on more exclusive insights and celebrity drama. Make sure to subscribe to our channel right now.
Celebrity drama never sleeps, and neither do we. Stay tuned.